Today we were putting the time capsule in the wall for our students and staff to open it 50 years from now. So that was pretty cool.
We put in a mask to represent everything that was crazy going on this year, something that became normal for us even though it's usually not. We put in a yearbook to show what happened this year and celebrate all the sports, including some sport pictures.
I think the coolest thing would be like the DVD and the VCR because even now they're kind of like obsolete. So it'd be cool in 50 years to see what's like new. They're gonna be like, what is that?
I think it'll be really cool to look at how the school has changed. They just put the book in of all like the construction that they've been doing recently, and as someone who's kind of been watching it kind of progress as I've been here, it's just going to be really cool to see the final product.
We're looking at the way that we connect our first half a century of our school to the next half century of our school. It's a great way of encapsulating our history, literally, especially here as our students have experienced and our society has experienced a massive global pandemic that has radically transformed the way that we did school altogether. So in this moment, as we're getting ready for the next 50 years of our school, as we've transformed it physically transformed the spaces completely, we also were physically transformed in the way that we thought about education. And so this is an opportunity to kind of put it all together into one box.
I feel like it's being a part of history in a way. Like right now you're thinking really in the present, but thinking that, oh, I'm gonna open this and see this in 50 years, you never know what's gonna happen or what it's gonna be like.